What is up, guys? It's your boy zlowdre here, back at it again with another crazy video. Today's Sunday fun day. It's gonna be a crazy ass video again like last week. So make sure to like and subscribe because I'm gonna be bringing videos daily now. So these niggas act like they never seen a camera before. Alright guys, I'm running a little late. I'm like an hour and 10 minutes away, so let's get right to the video and I'll catch you guys over there. Oh my god, Bay Area problems, bro. If you guys know this hill, you guys know it's a fucking struggle to get out of here.
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex.
Alright guys, we're finally here after an hour and a half. People are back there and back here. I think it's gonna be fat, yep. It's gonna be late today, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Oh, this should be great. Alright, we're gonna go to the first spot. Hopefully we get there on time and not get lost like always. Share next city, Brad.
What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
K_90. Alright, follow this nigga. Hey, you know it's late here? Damn, it's Halloween. 5-0 pulls up. I think got it from the red light.
Yeah. Pretty roll.
What? Oh, it's like somebody else. Look at that amount of people, it's crazy. Everybody's going to the spot, so we out. Yep, we out. This video's gonna be too long, so I'm gonna cut it right now. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11